Shut up! Shut up! Whew. You know when your alarm goes off for work and you're like, oh, no, not today. That's how I feel right now. I'm not going to make a video today, even though I am making a video today. Technically, just to get it out, I'm not making a video today. Once again, even though I am making a video. I love you guys. We're making videos Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Is that right? That's right. I had to check for a second. Today's Friday. I'm not going to make a video about anything today. So yeah, there goes that. Okay, I hope you guys like the video. We're on 2 different channels. This one right now, number 2, but of course we also are on channel 1 where we make travel films around the goddamn world before COVID. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, @ToolboyGareth. Like and subscribe. Whew. Sometimes I just don't know anymore, but hey, I love you. Bye-bye. See you on Monday. Bye-bye.